Add a burst of freshness to your cornbread with my delicious Blueberry Corn Muffins recipe. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, combine your blueberries with a little bit of flour and toss them around the flour just to coat. In a larger bowl, combine melted butter with brown sugar, whisk until the brown sugar is completely dissolved, and then add in the egg. Once you start whisking in the egg, you'll notice that the mixture will start to thicken, and then you want to whisk in the milk. Set aside, and then for the dry ingredients in a smaller bowl, combine the flour, the cornmeal, baking powder and baking soda, and whisk everything to combine. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and use a spatula to combine the two. Make sure not to overmix, the batter will still be lumpy. Then add in the coated blueberries into the batter and just fold them in until incorporated. Set the batter aside, and to prepare the muffin tin, simply place 11 liners in the cavities. Use 2 spoons to divide the batter equally between the 11 liners, and then into the oven it goes. Turn the heat down to 350 once the muffins are in the oven, and bake them until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Transfer the blueberry corn muffins to a cooling rack and enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.